I just want to become. Alright, let's make some music on Ableton today. As you could follow these steps, not just on Ableton, on any other DAW. So let's dive into Ableton. Alrighty, so this is how your Ableton Live looks like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to arrangement view. So when you press tab on your keyboard, it will take you to arrangement view. So this is arrangement view. And as you can see, there are like 4 tracks here too. So MIDI, audio, and over here you can see there are sounds, there are drums, instruments, audio effects like EQ, your compressor and everything here. And one more thing, guys, so you must be wondering why you should be watching this video. As a beginner, like 3 years ago, even I was like very confused, and I used to be overwhelmed with just a blank project. I know how frustrating it is. So let's start with drum first. So we'll start with drums. So as you can see, you have got here samples here. When you just press here, you could just audition the samples here. See? So let's start with the kick here. So what you do is you can just search kick, and you'll find plenty of kick here from your samples. Drag and drop your samples here in the audio wherever you like here. I'm gonna go to kick. Okay, I'm gonna drop this kick here. When you just go in, all right, let's play. Alrighty, let's press Control D. That's how we duplicate. All right, let's bring some snare. We need some snare. All right, let's drop some snare. Okay, so Control R, snare. Let's get some hi-hats. Hi-hat. I could just drop the sample here. We just want the beats for our song. So this is how we can make the beat. So we are going to make our bass. Go to sound. Go to bass. Just choose half bar. Okay. Control D, Control D. Alright, so we have got our bass now, so maybe let's get some piano. Oh, this is how you can make it. So you can get your piano here. Okay, piano. Let me choose. I'll tell you what you can do is you can just select this thing here and press Control and just bring it on the top. Control A, Shift, arrow down. Just gonna Okay, whoa. So you can already feel that this is how you can make the song. Got the beat. Okay, let's some melody. So some control R, press melody. We want our melody. Bang. Let's go and get some synth. Okay. Okay. As I told you, just highlight this. Control Shift M on Windows. I don't know about the Mac yet, because I use Windows. So you can audition sound by pressing here. You see this headphone here. Press here and okay. Okay, so what you do is half bar 1/4, 1/8. Okay, now down. Here. Okay, DD, Control D. If you don't like this sound, what you could do is you could drop this sound here. Let's see how it sounds. No, man, it's taking long. Oh, I just want to just drag and drop, guys, drag and drop. Take me higher, take me higher. So this is how you could make your first song, your first beat. This is just an idea. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel.